Hi, second graders. Today is Thursday, April 25th, 2020, and today we are going to continue practicing our multiplication facts. So there are videos of the count bys that you can practice and watch again, or you should have your sheet of paper from yesterday out in front of you where you wrote all of your count bys, and I want you to practice counting by them, putting up a finger each time. So if I start with the threes, I'm going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and then go to fours. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And then sixes, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and then continue with 7, 8, and 9, putting up a finger each time. Then there are two multiplication games that you are able to play. So the first one is Frogtastic Multiplication game. How you play that is you go ahead and click on the link, and then it says Frogtastic Multiplication. You can play level 1. You have to get 3 of the colored marbles in a row. So I have a blue, so I'm trying to get the blue in a row, get it to a purple, another blue, and then it gives me a multiplication fact. So using my sheet that I have all my facts, I can practice my count bys. 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Oops. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so I'm trying to get the marble that's in the frog's mouth. It's purple. I want to get 3 purples in a row. So I can shoot over there. Oops. So I want to keep going until I get that 3 in a row, and I want to beat it. Okay, then the second game is penalty kick multiplication. So if I click on that here, I'm going to click play. That out of there, and I'm going to swipe the ball to click. So I'm going to push on my mouse and I'm going to swipe it, and it kicks, and then it's going to pop up a multiplication. 7 times 8 is a big one, so I'm using my sheet of paper, going to my count bys of 7s or 8s. And if I'm doing count bys of 7, I'm counting by 7 8 times. Ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Nope, 42, 49, 56. I had to get to 8. Okay, and then I'm going to kick the ball again. Got it in. 9 times 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Okay, make sure you're looking at your sheet to practice those count bys. 9 times 5. I'm going to count by 5 9 times because I can count by 5s quicker and easier. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Kick it in again. Woo! 5 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Show you one more here. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so your task today are to practice your count bys of 3s, 4s, 6, 7, 8s, and 9s. And then you have 2 different games that you can go ahead and play to practice your multiplication facts. But you have to make sure that you are looking at your sheet of this and putting up a finger each time so you're practicing, because it's not helpful if we're just guessing and we're practicing incorrectly. So we need to practice those count bys, putting up our fingers. Okay, have fun and good luck with those multiplication games today.